to go with Joe, and he's celebrating a special milestone with a familiar cast of characters.
Joe is learning about the 10th anniversary of the Stumptown Stage Theater Group. He's in downtown Portland to tell us about their latest production.
Now, Joe, before you get going, though, the other special milestone is your birthday, sir. So happy birthday to you.
Well, thank you for that. We're not here to talk about that, thankfully. We are here to talk about the 10th anniversary of the Stumptown Stage. I'm joined by Kirk Mauser. Good morning to you. Kirk, how are you?
I'm well, thank you.
Great. He's the founder and artistic director, and we have some of the cast members from You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown, because we're kicking off the 10th season, the 10th anniversary of Stumptown Stages. Tell me a little bit about the group, based here in Portland, a musical theater group, and tell us kind of what you specialize in.
Oh, sure. Well, we do musicals all the time, but this is our, as you mentioned, our 10th anniversary. We have been in residence at Portland 5 Centers for the Arts for the past 3 years. This season we're presenting a series of 5 plays, 2 of which are musicals, 2 of which are originals. We have, of course, Charlie Brown here at Brunish Theater until December 7th, and we follow that up with It's a Wonderful Life with beautiful music by Michael Allen Harris and Alan Berg, Julianne Johnson, and a book by Janet Mauser. We're also doing Ruthless the Musical. We're doing an original piece called Soul Harmony about Deborah Chessa and the Oreos. And so we kind of are in that musical theater niche here locally as Portland's own professional music theater company.
Okay, so You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown kicks off this weekend. Actually, Thursday is the preview, is that right?
Correct.
And then, it runs through December the 7th here at the Center for Performing Arts. How can people get tickets real quick?
Oh, sure. Tickets can be purchased at Tickets West or right here at Portland 5 Centers for the Arts box office or online at stumptownstages.org.
All right, Kirk, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Guys, lots more to come. We're going to talk with the cast. Pete and Kim, I don't know if you noticed, Linus over there is actually a former coworker of ours. Remember Doug Zimmerman, our good friend? Well, that's him now. He's rocking the blanket there, so we're going to talk with him coming up a little bit later in the show. More to come with the folks from You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown, in just a bit.
Very talented individual. And, Joe, you know, if you happen to, encounter a midlife crisis, I saw that the doctor is in. Lucy's over there. I think she's about a dime. Oh, nickel. Nickel. I mean, that's a bargain. I don't know what the copay is.
I'll need a couple bucks worth.
Yeah. Happy birthday, buddy.